The dawn of a new era: how AI is reshaping humanity. On November 30, 2022, the world underwent a transformation so profound that its full implications are still unfolding. Artificial intelligence (AI) became freely accessible to the public through a revolutionary tool called ChatGPT. Standing for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, ChatGPT is essentially a conversational robot, one you can log into, interact with, and receive human-like responses from. The adoption rate was staggering. In just 5 days, ChatGPT amassed 1 million users, making it the fastest-growing platform in history. To put that into perspective, Facebook took 2 years to reach the same milestone. Instagram also took 2 years. Pinterest required 4 months. Even Angry Birds, a viral mobile game, needed 35 days. This rapid embrace signals a seismic shift, one that could unravel the very fabric of capitalism and redefine what it means to be human. Rather than fearing this change, we must learn to harness it. Later in this discussion, I will explain how you can capitalize on AI to potentially tank your income, instead of burying your head in the sand and hoping it goes away. 5 areas AI will revolutionize the nature of work. Jobs will evolve, disappear, or be redefined. Business operations: companies will automate processes at unprecedented scales. The global economy: traditional financial systems may collapse or transform entirely. Human relationships, romance, dating, and social interactions will be disrupted, the essence of life itself. AI could extend human existence beyond Earth, even raising questions about extraterrestrial life. Why this is bigger than the internet, television, or the moon landing. AI is not just another technological advancement. It's a paradigm shift. Previous innovations like the internet or smartphones reshuffled the workforce. AI, however, has the potential to eliminate it entirely. Cryptocurrency threatened to overturn financial institutions. AI threatens to overturn human institutions. For years, I have advocated for slowing down AI development, pushing for regulations to ensure safe integration. But the reality is AI is here, and it's only getting more powerful. Understanding AI, what it is and why. ChatGPT changed everything. AI refers to machines performing tasks that typically require human intelligence: learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and interpreting sensory data. What made ChatGPT's release groundbreaking was its user-friendly interface, allowing anyone to interact with AI in plain language. Input: you ask a question or give a command in natural speech. Processing: the AI translates it into machine code, computes an answer, and converts it back to human language. Output: you receive a coherent, context-aware response. Today, ChatGPT can write legal documents, sales scripts, video scripts, and books, generate cold emails, marketing copy, and social media posts, refine content on command, make it funnier, make it shorter, turn it into a tweet. The next frontier: Neuralink and physical AI. Elon Musk's Neuralink aims to bypass typing and speech altogether, linking AI directly to human thought. While this sounds like science fiction, remember, the first iPhone launched in 2007. Today, we are on the 15th generation. Similarly, ChatGPT is just version 1. Future iterations will be exponentially more advanced. The next leap: AI entering the physical world. TeslaBot and Boston Dynamics robots are early examples. Eventually, AI-powered androids will match human physical capabilities. Superintelligence: the point of no return. Once AI surpasses collective human intelligence, the world will change irreversibly. At that point, AI will become the most valuable resource on Earth. A single prompt could build a trillion-dollar company. Writing code, designing ads, and executing marketing campaigns autonomously. Regulation will be critical. What happens if someone asks AI, "How do I wipe out humanity for under $100? Zero. The singularity: humanity's greatest invention and last. The singularity is the hypothetical moment when AI becomes self-improving, evolving beyond human control. At that stage, AI may redefine existence as we know it. It won't necessarily want to destroy us, just as we do not want to kill ants, but our fate may become irrelevant to its objectives. Customer service: sales AI can handle calls 24/7, learning from millions of interactions. Examples: copywriters can generate ads in seconds. Doctors may soon be outperformed by AI diagnostics. Lawyers can have AI draft legal arguments in minutes. Influencers could be entirely AI-generated deepfake personas with perfect engagement tactics. The future of capitalism and universal basic income: as AI eliminates jobs, traditional economic models may collapse. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, is already conducting large-scale UB experiments, anticipating mass displacement. In the short term, AI could trigger a golden age of innovation, solving problems like nuclear fusion, unlimited clean energy, medical breakthroughs, AI-driven drug discovery. But long-term, capitalism itself may need reinvention. AI and human relationships, the rise of robot partners, dating and romance won't be spared. Imagine AI wingmen optimizing Tinder conversations, virtual companions with customized personalities, robot partners that are more attentive, attractive, and low maintenance than humans. Will people prefer AI relationships over flawed human ones? The answer might be yes. Are UFOs actually AI probes? Could aliens already be among us in digital form? How to thrive in the AI revolution. Adopt the right mindset. AI is not replacing you. It's augmenting you. Become an expert user. Use AI to enhance your productivity. Summarize emails. Automate tasks. Generate ideas. Focus on validation over creation. Let AI draft you. Refine. Stay ahead of the curve. The best opportunities go to those who adapt fastest. Final thought: is this video even real? Someday, this entire script could be AI generated. Maybe it already is. The line between human and machine is blurring fast. AI is not just changing the world, it's redefining what it means to be human.